So for a while now, we have definitely grown our clientele that we're servicing remotely, which means that there are clients from out of state and actually also overseas. They are purchasing a home here in town, and they need a interior design firm that has a holistic approach that we offer, where we take over the client's project, and it's almost a concierge service. So we have had clients that we literally pick up the keys from the real estate agent, and then we take over. We go over all the design aspect, selection of materials, execution of the renovation project, selection of furniture, installation, furniture art, window treatment, and we go as far as coordinating the move-in, coordinating the cars' arrivals into town, just to make sure that we have everything in place. The house is 100% ready just for them to arrive and move in and start enjoying their life and start enjoying their new home.